Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatargardens, and this is episode 15 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to show you something right now that's going to save you money, time, and make your compost more acclimated and more efficient and effective in your garden than if it would be buying a compost starter from a hardware store. I can't believe they actually have those. Here's a little bit of compost I'm making, just green material, egg cartons, coffee, paper napkins, toilet paper rolls, the cardboard rolls, and etc. So if you want a good compost starter, all you have to do, watch carefully, and that's it. That has beneficials, most likely earthworm eggs if I went deeper, fungi or mycorrhiza, etc., etc., etc. You don't need to buy anything. Nice and simple. Can't get any cheaper than this. Happy gardening.